Have you ever attempted on doing an afro before? Well, today that's what I've been doing. Today I will be using this brush because I figure it's the best one to detangle that hair. I will be detangling my hair dry, which I'm not a fan of usually because of how much friction involves with my hair type. Because if you had like a wavier type or even straight hair, you can rock dry detangling and it's really good because you're distributing those oils. I wish I could do that with my hair, but I can't. So it is what it is. Hello beautiful, welcome back to Curly and Elegant. If you're new, my name is Jeanette, and if you want to know more about hair care, hair tips, hair love, everything hair, you're more than encouraged to press the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, as I was saying, today I will be attempting to do an afro. Yes, to start an afro, I will start by sectioning my hair because this is a really like kind of time consuming thing. You need to section each hair and start detangling so all your curls break apart from each other, because right now the reason why my hair is like this is because most of my curls are clumped together. For an afro, what we want to do is make those curls be apart from each other so it looks more voluminous and better. So let's start by doing that. Of course, the sections don't have to be like perfect. But something I want to specify here is that you have to be very careful with your hair because you're detangling it dry. So what I'm seeing now is my hair is kind of tangled. I'm very tempted on finger detangling first and then proceed to do this. You know what, I will start detangling first with my hands because my hair is still pretty tangled. I decided to do this afro just because I haven't washed my hair in days and it needs to wash. So let's do this first and then we'll proceed to do something else. Finger detangle is the gentlest way of detangling. Okay, let's start again and try it again. Right now, it's worth mentioning my hair has product on it, so it's not clean. Probably you want to do this with your hair the cleanest way possible. And this is why you don't try to tangle with my hair tie. I feel like I feel stressful every time I try to do this type of afro and things. Is because of the noise. You hear that? Should I use oil? Should I? I think I will. Because it's driving me crazy, that noise. Ugh, it's so annoying. My hair pullings, that breaking noise like. Okay, so my bottom part has been dry detangled and I will use some oils. I hope it does still give me like volume even if I use them. I have it here. My almond oil. I will just put some through my hands. I didn't show how much I put, but it wasn't much. Ah, my watch. Especially my ends. Feel it's being really stressed right now, my hair. And this is why I don't do afros often. Because I feel my hair is going through so much stress right now. Okay, next is this. My hair is kind of damp at the top because I was gonna try refresh. But then I say, why we don't do an afro today? So let's see. And this invisible bubble, I use it almost all the time. Because, I don't know, I feel it's the best hair tie for my hair. It does not get tangled. I do not tie my hair tie twice just because I feel it does get tangled. However, I did it now because I twisted my hair. So it should not get tangled. It should not. Let's see. And by the way, guys, you see how long my hair is right now? Let me see. I'll show you. Right here, and I got it cut. And because of that, I don't think I will get like a lot of volume, like those really raw and beautiful afros too. And I don't have the right texture for it either, because my texture is between 3Z, 4A type of curl. Usually, on people with the best texture for afros are either 4B, 4C, yeah, type of hairs, like which are the kinkier, super curly hair types. My hair is kind of like in between a curly, coily, kinky, but whatever. I'm happy that I learned to take care of it. How do you usually detangle your hair, dry or wet? And what hair type do you have too? Yeah, putting that oil made it better. Finger detangling before brushing through did help a lot. You have to see how much hair I'm getting from this. But you also have to remember that I haven't brushed my hair in almost a whole week. So that's pretty much shedding from the whole week too. It's not that I'm losing all this hair out of this technique. That's around how much hair I did shed today. Now I'm picking it up. I gotta say this is warm. As you can see, my hair is like not the best for this type of hair. I will need hairspray. Should I put hairspray on it just to keep it up because it's starting to weigh down? I have this hairspray which is good. It does work for me. Let's see. I will probably need more than that. That's okay. And something that I saw from the curlies, you just put hairspray in your hands. Do this and go through your roots, and that helps to keep the volume from your roots. I don't know how people use hairspray every day. Like, I feel sticky, but some people like it. Can't judge you though, because hairspray is fantastic. Let's pick it up one more time. This is fun to do though. What do you guys think about my afro? I rarely do this, like rarely. Look at myself again. This is so funny. Like, it's not even round, and you can see like my hair in some areas is really thin. This is big, guys. I can't imagine like people with bigger afros. Should I put more hairspray? You know, it's funny because I'm putting all this hairspray, but I don't feel it. Like, I don't feel anything. It's not getting to me. Yeah, I know this is random, but you know what I thought of now? You know that finishing spray you put in your face after your makeup? I feel that's what hairspray is. It is the same exact thing. Now I have an afro. Well, I think so. An attempt to an afro. What do you think? Did I got an afro? Did I got there? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and press the subscribe button below if you want to see more videos like this. Like this video if you do, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, beautiful. Bye bye.